Going on a little evening walk with Princess Cambria. Do you ever have one of those days where things take longer than you think? That's the kind of day I had today. So I'm going to take some time to renew myself, spend some time with my horses and my dog, and just do some deep breaths. Here's one of my best friends. That's Cambria. I love this time of the night. The sun is low, it's starting to set. Everything's settling in. The birds are up in that oak tree where they go every night. Up there. They're singing their little lullabies. I hope you had some time today to renew yourself, to spend time with somebody you love or animals that you love, and just take some time to renew yourself.